Soon I'll get my things out of storage and start really building a new life, you know? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I am Burned Beauty 2018. And today we're going to unbox some goodies that I got from Mint and Lily. I got 3 pairs of earrings and a bracelet. And the earrings are simple and the bracelet is special. So we're going to start with the earrings. I don't know which is which. Things like this I reuse, but I think that's because I'm getting older and I'm starting to save things. Like Neiman Marcus bag. It's a nice bag, right? So I got 3 pairs of gold hoops. Okay, I think this is going to be the smallest pair. You can see I got them. They're the kind that don't have anything that will poke you. I have a really hard time taking my earrings in and out, so I sleep in them most of the time. So when I have ones like this that can't poke me, that's really good. Mint and Lily has quality items as well. I've bought a ring from them years ago, and it says Burned Beauty because you could personalize it with 2 names, and that's what I put, and I wore it for the longest time. I think it is in storage now. It's in storage. I left my things in Georgia. Soon I'll get my things out of storage and start really building a new life, you know? These are actually hinged earrings, so, and it opens up. It takes pressure to close it. I'm just going to leave it open. And it's good that it takes a little bit of pressure because you don't want to lose your earrings. That's the smallest one. Those are so cute. That's the biggest one. The biggest one and the smallest one, and then one in between. Okay, time to take these earrings out and put these in. Be right back. I'm not doing it on camera because my fingers are, they're not as useful as you. If you look at them, you can tell how they're kind of gnarled and things, especially this one that's got a skin graft. So these are not hard for most people to put in, but everything is challenging for me when it comes to fine motor skills. Look how pretty it is. I think I want to do all of them. I don't know if this one, I might have to put a bigger hoop. Might have to change my plan. My ear is kind of gnarly, if you can't tell. I mean, part of it is from the fire, but most of it is from a terrible infection that I got. So I might have to be a little creative with the hoops, but that's just how life is. We have to figure it out. So even though they're kind of like, my ear's kind of wonky, I love it. It's pretty. I love the size of these. I can keep them on all the time, and then I can just change out my front earring if I want something like more dramatic, you know? Okay, now that is so cute. I left one stud in. I have stacked piercings, and I like to wear ear cuffs. I've always worn a bunch of earrings. I love this look. Love it. I got the ear cuffs. These are, the earrings are from Mint and Lily, but I wanted to show you the whole look. I think they're really, really cute. I got one just to put a stud in here. Kind of self-conscious about it. You know, yeah, that's better. Now, we've got one last thing that is really, really special. And when I saw this bracelet, I knew I had to have it. It is just a little cord with gold accents. And it says, don't let the bad days win. But you can engrave it with a saying of your own on the back. And it says, this too shall pass. I'm just going to put this on and wear it at all times. I've been having some bad days. There's no way they are ever going to win. Don't let the bad days win. We're going into graduation season, which is upon us. What a great gift. I like gifts like this any time of the year. Let me get cute before I say bye. Let me get cute. I hope y'all find a lot of joy this summer. Enjoy every day. This holiday graduation season. Enjoy it all. Remember not to let the bad days win. And that I love y'all. And whatever you're going through, This too shall pass.